Is this a police or medical emergency?
It's a police. I think my mom got robbed, or there's a man outside holding her, and she yelled my name.
What do you mean there's a man outside holding your mom?
She was leaving to work, and she just yelled, and I looked outside my window, and somebody's holding her mouth, and he has, like, a gun and a hoodie.
Let me see your hands! 998! Get back. He's in that northeast window. He's shooting out the window at us. Taking rounds. Northbound. Is he out? He hopped the wall northbound. Black male in a hoodie. Let me see. 998.
Where's the suspect? Where is he?
He's in that northeast window. He's shooting out the window at us. Take it round.
Got the gun here.
Yeah, there's a gun here.